What's up, guys? If you have ever been stressed out by a random warning light popping up on your car dashboard, you know how annoying and expensive it can be to figure out what is wrong. Today on Budget Buying, we are exploring a smart diagnostic companion that might just be the best Bluetooth OBD2 scanner for everyday drivers. Let's get started. Meet the Launch AI Bluetooth OBD2 scanner. This clever tool is designed from the ground up to make vehicle maintenance much smarter, easier, and more accessible for every driver. Instead of driving straight to a repair shop and paying high fees every time a mystery warning light turns on, this compact scanner gives you clear insights directly on your smartphone screen. It combines wireless convenience with artificial intelligence to help you stay ahead of potential engine problems before they turn into expensive repairs. One of the standout features of the Launch AI Bluetooth OBD2 scanner is its fast and reliable Bluetooth connectivity. You do not have to deal with tangled cables, bulky equipment, or complicated hardware setups. To get started, you simply locate the OBD2 port under your car dashboard, plug the scanner in, and connect it to your mobile phone over Bluetooth in just a few seconds. Whether you use an Apple iPhone running iOS or an Android phone, the connection is quick, stable, and completely hassle-free. The device works through a dedicated mobile app that is clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate. Even if you have zero experience with car mechanics, the app presents diagnostic information in a clear and friendly way. The simple user interface ensures that you can check your vehicle's condition smoothly without getting overwhelmed by complicated technical jargon or confusing numbers. What truly sets the Launch AI Bluetooth OBD2 scanner apart from basic code readers is its advanced artificial intelligence capability. Standard scanners usually just display a basic code number, leaving you to guess what is wrong. Launch takes things a step further by using artificial intelligence to analyze your vehicle's data in real time. Beyond simply reading and clearing trouble codes, the artificial intelligence system offers predictive maintenance insights. It looks at performance data to warn you about potential component issues before a breakdown happens. On top of that, it provides intelligent part replacement recommendations. If a sensor or component is starting to fail, the app tells you what needs attention and guides you on what replacement parts you need. This proactive approach gives you total confidence whenever you drive. In terms of diagnostic depth, the Launch AI Bluetooth OBD2 scanner supports 10 full OBD modes. This gives you complete access to essential engine and system information. You can check live data streams, view freeze frame information, test oxygen sensors, and verify emission monitor readiness before going in for an official vehicle inspection. Having all 10 modes available guarantees that you get a thorough health check of your car whenever you want. Another major advantage is the ability to generate static OBD reports completely free for life. Many diagnostic scanners require paid subscriptions or charge extra fees just to view or download detailed reports. With Launch, you can create comprehensive static diagnostic reports at no extra cost. These reports are clean, structured, and simple to understand. If you decide to consult a mechanic, you can easily share the report through email or messaging before they work on your car. This makes consultations easier, keeps your repair records organized, and saves you money on unnecessary diagnostic fees. Compatibility is another strong point for the Launch AI Bluetooth OBD2 scanner. It features broad global vehicle compatibility, working with most gasoline and diesel vehicles manufactured after 1996. Whether you drive a daily commuter car, a family SUV, a heavy-duty pickup truck, or a luxury European sedan, this scanner communicates seamlessly with your vehicle's system. The physical design is compact, lightweight, and highly durable. It easily fits into your pocket, glove compartment, or center console. Because it is so small and convenient to carry, you can keep it in your car at all times. It effectively turns your smartphone into a smart vehicle health monitor that is always ready when you need it. Taking control of your car's health has never been this simple, smart, and convenient. Check the price link in the description to see current deals and pricing on this device. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe to Budget Buying for more practical auto tools and budget-friendly tech. Thanks for watching, and drive safe out there.